you're just a few simple steps away from lower energy costs. We'll guide you through each step, and we're here if you need anything. First up, upload your most recent utility bill. This helps us size your system for your home. Just take a photo, screenshot, or upload a PDF, whatever is easiest. Next is a quick credit check. It's a soft check, so it won't affect your score. It's just part of getting everything set up. To keep everything secure, we'll need to verify your identity. You'll just need a government-issued photo ID. If you don't have it nearby, go ahead and grab it. You'll upload a photo, possibly take a quick selfie, and we'll handle the rest. In some cases, we may need to verify you own your home. If so, we'll ask you to upload a photo of a title document, mortgage statement, or similar. Quick and simple. Next, you'll set up your payment method for your energy plan. This enrolls you in autopay and keeps everything simple going forward. Next up, your contract. Take a minute to review the details, then sign when you're ready. Now, you'll review your Clearfax disclosure. It's a summary of your energy plan. Just open the checklist and review the key details so you feel confident moving forward. Now you are ready to complete verification. Collect your ID, an electricity bill from the last 3 months, and your social security number. Once you have these, it will take you less than 5 minutes to complete the verification.
You are so close to cheaper energy with Palmetto.